classroom.
Sadyahan ka siya,
Welcome, children. The teacher said, I am Mrs. Peabody. We're going to have a fun year. Their new teacher seemed really nice. Ring! It was the end of their first day of school. Look, Mom, what I did at school today. School is fun. Again. Parang ito. May mulak sila na dito. Ha?
Si baby na lang, red na be.
Read. Kala, bebe.
Kiss na the book. Kiss the book. Kiss the book, gani.
Ring! The school bell rang. It was the first day of school for Baby RJ and Baby Ella. Their mother gave them kisses for good luck. Room 3! Baby Ella and Baby RJ were going to be in the same classroom. Welcome, children. I am Mrs. Peabody. We're going to have a fun year. Their new teachers seem really nice.